Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Huawei Mate X3. Gaze into the future, introducing the world's first quad-curve foldable smartphone and Ultra Vision X-Mage camera, durable Kunlun glass. The rear camera layout resembles the shape of a spacecraft porthole. IPX8 rated, water resistant. Huawei Mate X3 can even respond to your touches when the screen is wet. With 12GB RAM and 512GB ROM. 4800 mAh battery with a long-lasting duration. Huawei Mate X3 can even respond to your touches when the screen is wet, which comes especially handy in a drizzly day. The rear camera has been crafted by a custom diamond blade, a process that takes 29 steps and 12 hours, with an exquisite contrast between its satin and polished surfaces, giving the look and feel of a luxury timepiece. It opens up as you see fit, with multitasking can be done on both screens. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.